Gengar EX Box is courtesy. I got this off of Facebook Market. Shout out to JR, the person I got it. I gave him with my YouTube channel. So we're gonna crack open this. We have one Lucky Evolutions pack. Looks like a Sun and Moon EX, and 4 packs in the tin. This was originally sold at Sam's Club for $24.99. I got it at a great price from JR for $75 for both of them. So shout out to JR for giving me such a great deal. I appreciate it. It's hard just finding any Pokemon stuff in Hawaii just to do an unboxing. You know what I mean? Just anything at this point is getting difficult to find. So even the older stuff, or just even something that came out 2 months ago, is sold out already. But enough about that. We'll crack open. Alright. Maybe Rachel will give us some luck. Put that there. It's just a filler. It has the Gengar in the back. I guess you could save this. You could make it like a bookend. Put something heavy in there and you can make it as a bookend. Oh well, let's crack into the first tin. Alright. We got that super nice Flareon. Here's the code card. Put it on to the side. And our 4 packs. Our Cosmic Eclipse, Burning Shadows, and the Steam Seed. Just get rid of we don't do card tricks here. You got, there you go. And that. And a break card. And our rare is that guy. And there's the code card, green code card. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. Alright. Let's do Burning Shadows next. Save the Cosmic Eclipse for last. Let's spoil it. Green code card. You can see the reverse and the rare. NG, Electabuzz. Alright. Let's hope for something better. Nope, saw it. Green code card. So let's go through this. There's the reverse and our non-holo rare. And press. Hopefully this is the hit for the... Let's see. Dom, bom, bom. And let's just go through that. There's your reverse holo and your non-holo rare. Save you all the time. Energy. And that's the Clefairy. And here goes another code card. So, no luck from the tin. Let's put this off to the side. We're gonna open this one up in another video. Not even one hit off the tin. Hopefully that Evolutions pack might give us a little bit more luck. There you go. This off to the side. There you go. The Gengar Evolutions Primal Clash. That. Let's leave the jumbo card in there. So I'm gonna save the Evolutions. Let's go adjust this just a little bit more. Save this guy for last. We'll do it in this order. Right there. And there's the packs. Okay. Code card. Dong dong dong. You got a reverse and our non-holo rare. Put that to the top. Flareon doesn't look too bad. It's a little, I would probably say it's a little off-centered. Thicker on this side. No 10. Next up is Primal Clash. This pack came out. The year 2015. Hey, finally, what will it be? And there it is. I wanted it to come to the top. There's our non-holo rare, and there's our rare card right there. And you got a tentacle, Vulpix. It's been a while. It's been a long time since I've been buying packs regularly. Ever since the last set I really stopped at was Team Rocket. Let's go code card. Womp womp womp. Again. There it is. And there we go. Another break card. And our non-holo rare is, there you go. Last but not least, the hunt for the Charizard continues. Will we get one pack, last pack, one pack magic? And there's the code card. Let's go through it. Poliwhirl, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, and no, we do not. The rare is a Rattata and a Venusaur Spirit Link. So we go there and there. That's it. We got, don't forget that code card. You got the brakes. You got the GXs that came with the box. And there's your reverses. One big hit of the day. And then our non-hollow rares. All right, that was quick and easy and painless. Hopefully one day I'll put a better picture in the chat. Hopefully one day I'll be able to hopefully get this first edition Team Rocket set. The only thing I'm missing is the Dark Dragonite. Hopefully one day I can get it graded, at least the hollows or something, or who knows, maybe in 20 years, if Pokemon is still at the pace it's going, this might be $1 million set in raw. Because it's all first edition cards from 2000. I bought them, I put them in, I took them out of the pack from pack to sleeve. And I examined all my hollows, and there's no print lines on any of these hollow foil cards. So one day, man, this might be my retirement money. But we'll see you on the next one. Well, we'll try to have better luck opening up these packs. And I truly do appreciate you guys watching my speed tests, watching my food videos, and these random Pokemon breaks. I will see you on the next one.